Hey everyone, welcome back to NeoFuture AI. If you're fascinated by the endless possibilities of artificial intelligence, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into 10 AI trends that will blow your mind and shape the future of humanity. Whether you're a tech enthusiast, a student, or just curious about AI, this video is for you. So, grab a snack, sit back, and let's explore the future together. Make sure to stick around till the end. There's a bonus trend that you won't want to miss. You speaking directly to the camera in a clean, futuristic setup. Before we jump in, I want to share why I started this channel. AI isn't just a buzzword for me, it's a passion. I believe AI has the power to solve some of humanity's biggest challenges, from healthcare to climate change. But it's also important to understand its risks and ethical implications. That's why I created NeoFuture AI, to break down complex topics into something everyone can understand and enjoy. If that sounds like your vibe, hit that subscribe button and join our growing community. Together, we're shaping the future of technology. Demo of AI assistants like ChatGPT, Google Assistant, or Alexa. Let's kick things off with AI-powered personal assistants. You've probably used Siri or Alexa, but these tools are evolving into something much more powerful. Imagine an assistant that doesn't just answer questions but anticipates your needs. For instance, it could book your flights, manage your schedule, suggest meals based on your health goals, and even offer advice on making your day more productive. The future of personal assistants is all about proactive. It's about AI that knows you better than you know yourself. And trust me, we're just scratching the surface of what's possible. The possibilities here are limitless. Footage of AI diagnosing diseases, robotic surgeries, or wearable health tech. Next up, let's talk about AI in healthcare. This is one of the most exciting areas of AI development. Imagine a world where AI can detect diseases like cancer years before symptoms appear. Companies are already using AI to analyze medical images, predict patient outcomes, and even design personalized treatment plans. But the most powerful part of AI in healthcare is its accessibility. AI-powered apps can now provide mental health support to people in remote areas, and chatbots can guide patients through their health journeys. We're looking at a future where healthcare isn't just high-tech, it's available to anyone, anywhere. Examples of AI-generated art, music, and writing. Now, let's shift gears to generative AI. Tools like DALL-E, Midjourney, and ChatGPT are revolutionizing creativity. But here's the big question: can AI truly be creative? Some argue that AI is just mimicking human creativity, while others believe it's opening up entirely new possibilities. Artists, musicians, and writers are already using AI to brainstorm ideas, compose music, and create visual masterpieces. But here's an interesting twist: AI can also enhance human creativity. It's like having a co-creator who never runs out of ideas. So, what do you think? Can AI be truly creative, or is it just a tool for humans to get more out of their own creativity? Drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your thoughts on this. Footage of renewable energy projects, AI optimizing energy grids, or climate data analysis. One of the most important applications of AI is in the fight against climate change. AI is being used to optimize energy consumption, predict natural disasters, and design more efficient transportation systems. For instance, AI algorithms are helping farmers reduce water usage, improve crop yields, and make agriculture more sustainable. But here's the challenge: AI itself requires a lot of energy. So, can AI become part of the solution without contributing to the problem? AI researchers are working on making algorithms more energy efficient, and we're seeing companies develop AI systems that help reduce carbon footprints. It's a critical conversation, and I want to know your thoughts. Can AI help us save the planet, or is it just adding to the energy problem? news clips about AI controversies, ethical debates, or government regulations. As AI continues to evolve, we need to talk about AI ethics and regulation. As AI becomes more powerful, we need to ask who's responsible when something goes wrong. How do we prevent bias in AI systems? And what about privacy concerns? AI systems are only as good as the data they're trained on, which can sometimes lead to unintended bias. Governments around the world are beginning to regulate AI, but it's a tricky balance. Too much regulation could stifle innovation, but too little could lead to serious consequences. It's something we all need to keep an eye on as AI continues to shape our world. What do you think about AI regulations? How do we strike the right balance? Students using AI-powered learning tools or virtual tutors. Education is another area where AI is making a huge impact. Imagine having a personalized tutor that adapts to your learning style and pace. AI is already being used to grade assignments, recommend study materials, and even teach coding. But here's the real game changer: AI could make education accessible to everyone, regardless of where they live or their financial situation. AI tools are breaking down barriers and making learning more engaging and interactive. What are your thoughts on AI in education? Could it replace traditional learning, or will it just complement it? Let me know in the comments. Office workers collaborating with AI tools or robots in factories. Now, let's talk about the future of work. AI is already automating repetitive tasks, but it's also creating new opportunities. AI is helping designers, marketers, and engineers work faster and smarter. For example, AI is revolutionizing the way we approach data analysis, allowing businesses to make better decisions quicker. But there's a concern: will AI take away jobs? The truth is, AI will change the job market, but it's up to us to adapt. The key is to focus on skills that AI can't replicate, like creativity, critical thinking, and emotional intelligence. What's your take on AI in the job market? Let's discuss. Clips from AI-generated movies, games, and interactive experiences. AI is also making waves in entertainment. Think about the future of video games where the characters learn and adapt to your playing style, or movies where AI helps generate scripts and visual effects. AI is already being used to predict what kind of content will perform well with audiences, and soon, it could even create movies and music that are completely unique. This is the future of interactive storytelling, and it's something I'm personally really excited about. Space exploration images, AI-powered satellites, and rover missions. AI is even making its way into space exploration. From AI-powered satellites that help scientists monitor climate change from space, to autonomous rovers exploring other planets, AI is expanding our horizons in ways we never thought possible. As we venture deeper into space, AI will play a critical role in helping us understand distant planets and moons, making space exploration more efficient and exciting than ever before. People using AI-powered finance tools, like budgeting apps or investing platforms. And lastly, let's talk about AI in personal finance. AI is transforming the way we manage our money. From apps that help you budget, to AI-powered investment tools that make smart, data-driven decisions, AI is becoming an essential tool in our financial lives. It's all about giving us the power to make better financial decisions with minimal effort. The future of personal finance is smart, automated, and tailored to your needs. You speaking directly to the camera with a friendly, upbeat tone. And there you have it, -10 mind-blowing AI trends that are shaping our future. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to NeoFuture AI for more content like this. I'd also love to hear your thoughts. Which trend excites you the most? Or is there something I missed? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and remember, the future isn't something we wait for, it's something we create. See you in the next video.